Hey friends! Welcome back to our channel Zoya Fun Club. Friends, I hope you have learned all the previous tables. So today we will learn 7 times table. Let's start. 7 ones are 7.
7 ones are 7.
7 twos are 14.
7 twos are 14.
7 threes are 21.
7 threes are 21.
7 fours are 28.
7 fours are 28.
7 fives are 35.
7 fives are 35.
7 sixes are 42.
7 sixes are 42.
7 sevens are 49.
7 sevens are 49.
7 eights are 56.
7 eights are 56.
7 nines are 63.
7 nines are 63.
7 tens are 70.
7 tens are 70.
It's a preview time. Now let's check how well you have learned this table. 7 twos are
14.
7 fours are
28.
7 eights are
56.
7 tens are
70.
Good job, friends! Friends, I hope you are liking our videos. So please subscribe our channel. Bye!